Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make a fade out last longer in Audacity. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and select the part that you want to fade out. And now let's say I want to fade out this part, and from here go for the effect and go for the fading and go for adjustable fade. Now from here guys, you could just simply go for the fade up and go for the fade down and just simply adjust it based on your preferences. And now you could just simply click on apply and you should be able to have this effect over here. Sound. Now from here guys, of course, you could just simply go back to the adjustable fade and you could just simply play around with it. And you could just simply select the preview if you want to hear it first before you apply it. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.